beauty lies in the lighting through darkness. So is the knowledge to wisdom.
Namaste. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. A clear mind, a pure soul, and a sparkling self. And so is Anantara. Anantara is a platform for those budding artists to make their dreams pursue to reality.
Anantara, a concept to inner peace, is the light to creation in a systematic manner where all pursue their passion. Anantara, a limitless heart created to bring out the inner beauty and elegance with utmost purity.
We are an institution of discipline with inner peace personified. An entrepreneur, founder, artistic director, performer, choreographer, and last but not the least, as a student, I enjoy myself being the soul of Anantara.
I share my vision. We are part of nature and live to the tunes of Mother Nature. Hence, this is not a training but a Gurukul of tuning into the way of living in the art form.
Often it's a learning curve for every success for me to make it a benchmark and achieve on a higher note. While choreographing, I see myself reflecting in every student with overflowing joy and enthusiasm, and so are our faculties and evaluators who are specialized and standard in the field of education. Let's have a world round into our institution at Dubai.
The courses offered are in line with the leading academies that give students the benefit of continuation of the course anywhere in the world. Perfection of basics is the priority in our teaching and propagation. We have a well-planned syllabus focusing on systematic learning approach as part of the curriculum in Carnatic vocal, Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam, Veena, Mridangam, keyboard and guitar. My emphasis on the qualities of education has given me a basis to understand that every art form is unique and needs a focused learning by itself. The art forms have captivated and inspired me the history pursuing and evolving in the ocean of education and knowledge whereby I can apply the wisdom into my curriculum. I am really glad to see that a major change of paradigm from attending a trial session and converting the same into passion. I am also happy to note not only our teaching but we are able to inspire the students defining a meaningful understanding of art forms. With performance world over, I am able to propagate the universal form of love that the heritage boasts as the only liberator to peace. With every change I have introduced into the educational pattern, the students are monitored weekly, monthly and quarterly with a well-developed educational plan. Panditho Bhava, only knowledge and wisdom is praised by all the world.
As a part of the ongoing Yajna, in the field of traditional art and dance, Anantara initiates a strict curriculum to match the international standards. We have the professional workshops in the name of Sculpt of Skill, which is conducted every quarterly to shape up the learnings. The idea behind the concept of Sculpt of Skill workshops are to promote and educate each and every student and to give an opportunity for further learning and expose them to the standard of artistic and professional environment.
Vintalo Bhakti. Vintalo, you're requesting.
Cult of Skill is to promote and give students the opportunity to further their education, experience and engage in the professional and artistic environment.
Dance, the cosmic energy of the universe, is personified by Lord Nataraja, dancing form of Lord, the supreme reality. The divine dance performed by him is the source of creation, preservation and destruction. A blissful thought through silence and meditation harvests the eternity in you with discipline, divine and delight. Anantara reflects the ancient dance treatises and performing techniques. Classical dance is a composition of Shirobedas, head movements, Drishti Bedas, eye movements, Pada Bedas, feet movements, and similar composite movements all in synchronization. Music, an integral part of the Indian culture. Classical Carnatic music, which is nothing but the continuance of our ancient Indian music values with a tremendous change of nuances and aesthetic values. Swara Shuddhi, the purification of notes. Every octave differs to Shruti with the smallest gradation of pitch. Hence, Swara and Shruti has to be in Shuddhi and synchronization. The 7 notes in the musical treatise commits beauty to Shravana or hearing. The basics is given more significance while learning for purification. The 7 notes in the musical treatise commits beauty to Shravana or hearing. The basics is given more significance while learning for perfection. Every child has a potential and every voice has got its own sweetness. Raga, which is the pivotal concept of Indian music, India's proud contribution to the world music. Manodharma Sangeeta or creative music is the distinctive feature of Indian music and music improvisation. A very effective tool in building positive mental discipline. Music is a very effective tool in building positive mental discipline. A regular routine of listening to music will result in improved focus, organized thoughts, and eliminate negative mental habits. Music for the adults not just helps release tension, but also unlocks latent energies in the mind. Instruments, an analytical mind with the rhythm of music is the best way to explore one's creativity and skills than the current gadget generation. Music in form of instruments, whether be it keyboard, guitar, mridangam, tabla, veena, be exposed to learning. Whatsoever the music or instrument or vocal chosen for learning, I recommend the child pursues the art as a lead curriculum in early age with fun. They are influenced to the intricacies of activities and passion, becomes building up their minds.
Now, the cultural heritage event Prakriti Dhwani. Prakriti Dhwani, or the flagship event of Anantara institutions, is to promote the student performer, to focus on their individual talents through the features of the Indian grandeur and place of divinity. The program is an awareness to learn the art forms from the place of performance and focus on the specialization training from the gurus and scholars from the field of dance.
The event is aimed at promoting the stage performance for students from Dubai who are learning the Indian classical dance forms, understanding the great culture of the land where Prakriti Dhwani is performed, one-day program to visit the important temples, places of historic importance and dance centers as a part of learning process. What is expected from Nature Streak or Prakriti Dhwani? Workshop by eminent exponents, awareness towards our art, approach of the art in a different outlook by other gurus.
Performing in front of Indian audience in India, we were actually not worried, but we were actually skeptical if she is fully trained. But her teacher instilled a lot of confidence in us.
It is, to be precise, it is not very easy to conduct such a big dance program in outside UAE.
Our children should be a dancer. Now that dream is going to succeeding. At same time, Vimmi madam cooperation is too much for our children, and our children also, they are very interesting to learn the dance, and they want to become good dancers.
Yeah, it's been very, very exciting. The theme itself is very exciting. When we first spoke to Miss Vimmi, she mentioned that 7 years she would like to really go around the places across India to conduct programs of different theme every year. It goes through for 7 years. We are looking forward to really make sure that the journey continues and their ambitions and our ambitions are fulfilled.
We have rehearsed for the past 4 months.
I like the costumes, they are designed very well and the color combinations are very nice.
I'm Vardhini. I am a student of Anantara Institutions and I am here as a part of Prakriti Dwani Season 3. It's wonderful to be here for Madam Bullen's workshop. We got to see them perform various items in Legong, and we even tried to learn an item in Legong, that is Kupu Kupu. It was very different. It was very new for us, so very different experience.
My name is Sanjana Sriram and I'm here with the Anantara Music and Dance Institutions to perform the Prakriti Dwani Season 3 in Indonesia. After attending this wonderful workshop on Balinese Legong dance held by the Ayubulan dance group, I feel blessed to have seen and learned so much.
My name is Amrita and I'm a student of Anantara Institution. Today there was a workshop held on Balinese Legon dance and it was very informative.
But it is very nice. It's a very good experience. We kind of learned a lot about mythology, during this session. We're very blessed, and I would like to thank my guru, Vimmi ma'am. Thank you so much.
Anantara is not a thought. Anantara is a life. It's a life personified into education. Education is the most powerful thing that can change the world. We need a change.